Okay, girls, say hi to the camera.
Hi!
Who are we? Show us a sign. Go SJV. What does SJV stand for?
Junior Varsity Basketball. It's about fun and having a good coach.
All right, let's talk about cars. Ellie, what do you drive?
I drive a Honda Pilot. It was my dad's old car.
So he gave it to you as a gift.
Yeah, it was for my birthday.
Tell your dad thanks.
Oh, okay, well.
Georgia,
I know what that means.
what do you have?
What? I drive a Toyota Land Cruiser.
Name?
Gregarious.
I'll move on. Lauren, sweetie,
Yeah.
what are you
Don't
driving?
zoom in on me.
I won't.
Hi, Greg.
I'm all sweaty.
What do you drive, sweetie?
An Infiniti G35.
Does it have a name?
Buzz.
Buzz Lightyear?
Yeah.
What does Buzz Lightyear say?
Buzz.
To infinity and beyond.
Beautiful. Kel Bell.
Hello.
Hi, sweetie, what do you drive?
I drive a Honda CR-V.
Tell me about it.
Well, it's pearl blue, and its name is Luca. And
Why Luca?
Your pores look
Well-
amazing today.
thank you. Well, I went to Italy this last summer, and there was a city in Lucca, and my waiter there was really attractive, so it's an honor of him.
Mexi.
Yeah.
Lovely. And Maggie?
I have a Chrysler.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to know how I got it?
How'd you get it? No, move on.
Wait. His name is Carlisle.
That's a good name.
For a car. Carlisle.
Last but not least,
Hi, I drive a black Ford Escape Hybrid.
how do you feel about it?
I really like it. It drives well.
Does it have a name?
Maverick.
Why?
Because I like the movie Top Gun, and my car just looks really cool.
You guys are so cool. I love you guys very much.
I love you too.
Do you guys want to do a little cheer or anything?
Yes. East side, west side, no side like our side.